ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि
आदेशा आगमास्तथा
आदेश आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदातश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्पितौ
अनुदत्तौ सुप्पितौ
गुप्तैष्किभ्यः सन्
गुप्तिष्ठिभ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् भददांशाभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः कर्मणः समानिकर्तिकादिच्छायान् वा
उप आत्मनख्यच
उप आगमनः क्यच
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
वमानादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्छेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः कृत्वा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
लोगितादिडाज्भ्यक्थिष्
लोहितादिडाभ्यः किच
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्वमेघेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनाय
नमो वरिवश्चित्रनह्य च
नमो वैवश्चित्रणह्य च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरान्निङ्
पुच्छभाण्डवेवानिम्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततूस्तेभ्यो निच्
धातो रेखाचो हलादे क्रियाः समभिहारे यङ्
धातोरेकचोहलादिः क्रियाः समविहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
उपसदचरजपजपदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्गाय
उपसदचरजपजपदहदशकृभ्यो भावहर्याम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलशोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापाशरूपवीनतूलश्लोकसेन लोमत्वचवर्णवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच्
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
कण्वादिभ्यो यक्
दुपूधूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
धूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
ऋतेयं
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिं
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादाय आर्तधातुके वा
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
शतासीलृटोः
शतासीलृटोः
सिब्बगुलं लेटी
सिब्बहुलं लेटी
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो निच्चः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्तरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवांश्लुवच्च
भीक्रीभृगुवांश्लुवच्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
क्रीञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वत्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदां कुर्वन्त्युत्तरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियादिदामकृण्यति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयां पावनयां क्रियान् पिदा मकृन्निति छन्दसि
च्लीलुङि
क्षीलुणि
लेखेसि च
श्लेषस्य च
शल इकुपदा अनिटः सः
शल इडुपड अनिटः सः
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
नदृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
निश्रीदृभ्यः कर्तरि छन्
विभाषाद्येष्योः
विभाषाख्येष्योः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
गुपेच्छन्दसि
up to that we have been chanting now. No nayati dvanayet yelayat yardayatibhyah
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयत्यभ्यः
no nayati dvanayat yelayat yardayatibhyah. Okay. No nayati dvanayat yelayat yardayatibhyah.
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयत्यभ्यः
अस्यति भक्ति क्यादिभ्यों
अस्यति वर्ति भ्यो
लिपि सिचि ह्वश्च
लिपि सिचिवश्च
आत्मनेपदेषु अन्यतरस्य
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्तरस्याम्
अन्यतरस्य पुषादि द्युताद्युताद्युदितः परस्मैपदेषु
उषादिद्युत्ताद्युम्बितः परस्मैपदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यर्तिभ्यश्च
सर्तिश्चास्त्यर्तिभ्यश्च
इरितो
वा
जृस्तम्भु मृचु म्लुचु घृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्विभ्यश्च
स्तम्भु मृचु म्लुचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्रिभ्यश्च
कृमृद्रृदिभ्यश्छन्दसि
मृद्रिरुहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिन्ते पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरितायि प्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्य
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिभ्यायिभ्योऽन्तरस्य
अचकर्मकर्तरि
कर्मकर्तरि
दुःखश्च न रुदः
न रुदः
तपोनुतापे च
तपोनुतापे च
छिन्भावकर्मणोः
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप्
दिवादिव्यश्यन्
दिवादिव्यस्यन्
वा भ्राश ब्लाश भ्रमो क्रमो क्लमो त्रसी त्रुट लशः
वा भ्राश ब्लाश क्लमो क्लमो त्रसी त्रुटिश् लशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिव्यश्नुः
स्वादिव्यश्नुः
श्रुवः श्रुच
श्रुवः श्रिच
अक्षोण्यतरसयाम् अक्षोण्यतरस्य तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तुदादिव्यश्यः
तुदादिव्यश्यः
रुधादिव्यश्नम्
रुदादिव्यस्यन्
तनादिकृङ्व्यक्पुः
तनादिकृङ्भ्यः
धिन्विकृण्व्योरच
धिम्विकृङ्भ्योरच
क्रयादिव्यश्ना
क्रियादिव्यश्ना
स्तम्भु स्तुम्भु स्कम्भु स्कुम्भु स्कुंश्भ्यः श्नुश्च
स्तम्भु स्थुम्भु स्कन्भु स्कुम्भु स्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
अलश्नश्चानचौ चानजौ
हलश्चानश्चानजौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि शाययपि
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्.
up to that we must know by heart slowly. So here these sutras are important. That's what we are going to see. Kartari Shap, that is a sutra. Important sutra, Utsarga Sutra. We are going to see after things, the introduction sutras, a lot of sutras we saw. The Lakara Artha, right? Lakara Artha, Latalang, Lotling, all the 10 Lakaras, and the preparation of the Dhatus, all those things we saw. And then Paribhasha, important Paribhasha, which I should have taught you before, but I didn't do it. For some reason, I didn't do it. It was difficult to understand that point. Now we can follow. After Paribhasha, now, the next sutra is this. What we are going to see is Kartari Shap from there. So let us chant. Kartari Shap
Kartari Shapa
Adiprabhritibhyash Shapaha
Adipravrittibhyah Shapaha
Adarshanam Lopaha.
Adarshanam Lopaha.
The sutra already you have seen.
Yes.
Yeah. Adarshanam Lopaha, previous, the Sandhi Sutra, I think. I have to please check it. That's why I think number I have put it. But anyway, numbering is problem is I will correct the numbering later. But anyway, you can check. Adarsham Lopaha we have seen.
Yes.
What sutra? What number? You know our number?
A minute.
Our number and the next sutra also, whether we saw that also you can. I think in the Sanya Sutra, as we would have seen that.
I think we saw 199, the last one.
Last one?
199, our number.
That is different. That is Paribhasha. Yena Bidi Sadantasya.
Yes.
After the 200 is Kartarishap. Adarsham Lopaha 17th Sutra.
Yes, 17.
You have seen. The Sanya Sutra, you have seen. But I have you can see this is the file document you must be having. This is our Sutra. 17 Sutra Adarshanam Lopaha.
Yes.
We have seen that already. So I will mark it here as 17. 17. 0, 17. Already we have seen this. These sutras we have not seen. That you have to number it. Pratyasya Lukshlu Lupaha.
Pratyasya Lupaha.
This sutra we need to know. Pratyalope Pratyalakshanam.
Pratyalope Pratyalakshanam.
Jugotyadibhyashluhu. Jugotyadibhyashluhu.
We didn't chant this one.
Nalumata Angasya.
Nalumatangasya.
Jugotyadibhyashluhu.
Juhotyadibhyashluhu.
Shlau.
Shlau.
Divadibhyashan.
Divadibhyasyan.
All these things we chant just now. Va, Brasha, Blasha, Brahmu, Kramu, Klamu, Trasi, Truti, Lashaha.
Va, Brasha, Blasha, Kramu, Klamu, Truti, Lashaha.
You have to see a dhatu. Brasha, one dhatu, Blasha, another dhatu, Brahmu, Kramu, Klamu, Trasi, Truti, Lashaha. All these are dhatus. Yaso Nupasargat.
Yasonupasarga.
Sam Yasascha. Swadibhyaha Shnuhu.
Swadibhyashnuhu.
Shruvaha Shrucha.
Shruva
Shruva
Shricha
Akshonyatarasya
Akshantarasya
Parasya
Tanu Karane
Akshantarasya
Takshaha
Tanu Karane Takshaha
Tuda Divyashaha.
Dadhyasya.
Tadadipyasyaha.
Okay, up to that is enough. All the sutras we just chanted. The sutras are important. So that's part entire thing we are going to see. Starting with the after 199th sutra, which is Yena Viditadantasya Paribhasha. Now Kartai Shap, that sutra. Now we are onwards going to start our the real thing, and that is Dhatu. First we saw Dhatu, preparation of the Dhatus, right?
Yes.
Dhatu is there, Iti Dhatu, then Num we have to add, need to add. Then after that, the thing sutras. Then what is Dhatu we have to define. We define Bhuadiyo Dhatoha, Sanadento Dhatoha, then Dhatu Adige Shaka Shatvam Natvam, right? Idito Num Dhatoho, all those things. Then we define Pratyaya, what is a Pratyaya, where the Pratyaya will come. And we define all the thing Pratyaya, Sutta, Shri, Sittasta, all those things. Sarvadhatukam, Adadhatukam, very important. What are Sarvadhatuka Lakaras, Adadhatuka Lakara, Sarvada, then Parasmay Pada, Atmane Pada, Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bhagavachanam, Prathama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, and Bhava Karma. What is Tartari, Bhava Karma, what Pratyaya will come, Lahat Karmani, Chavavecha Karma Kebhya, important sutra, right? All those things. Then regarding Lakaras, and what meaning Lakaras are used, what those things we saw. So all those very technical things, and what meanings, all those. Now after all this, now comes from here onwards, after knowing the Lakara, then Kartari Shabd. What is Kartari Shabd? Kartari is Kartari Prayoge. Kartari is Saptami Vibhakti. Kartari Prayoge, 3168. You have to see the Anuvritti from Sutrapata. You can see Sutrapata, you have the Anuvritti of Sarvadhatuke from the previous Sutram. Important. 3168. Remember the number, Sutra number from here onwards, you need to remember. 3168. Where is it 3168? Before Dhatoha Adhikara. Right? 3191. I mean, this
Yes.
Dhatu Adhikara. Under this Adhikara only, those pratyas which are not a thing get the Sanya. What? Under the Dhatoho Adhikara 3191, the pratyas which are not thing pratyas get the Sanya.
Sarvadhatika?
No.
Correct?
Yes. Krudating 3193.
Yes.
You need to remember Dhatoha we have seen 3122 to 3190 Dhatoha Adhikara comes. 3122 we have Dhatoho, right?
Yes.
And 317 we have Dhatoho, all these places. There we define what is Sarvadhatuka, Adhatuka, etc. Now here Kartari Kartari Shap Pratyaya is in this Dhatu Adhikara. Therefore, is it a Krit Pratyaya? Yes or no? 3168. No.
Not yet.
No, because 3191 under the Adhikara only what the Pratyas which are not thing alone will get Krit. Therefore, Shap is not a Krit Pratyaya. Then what Pratyaya Shap is?
Ting.
Huh?
Ting
What
shit.
Pratyaya?
Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatuka, Shit. Therefore,
Yeah.
Sarvadhatuka. And also Pit, Pakara is it. That property also important. Kartari. Kartari Saptami, is it Upapada? No. Cannot have the meaning of Upapada. Why? Because again, 3192 only, there it starts Upapada. In this 3192, in this adhikara, the word which are in Saptami get the Sanya Upapadam. But also not all which are in Saptami Upapadam, depending on the context. Sometimes we
Yes.
have Vishaya Saptami, right? Like Vartamane. Vartamane means what? Vartamane letter. Vartamane Saptami. Is it Upapada Saptami? No. Vartamane Arte. Similarly, Bhavishyati written. Bhavishyati Upapada. No. Bhavishyati is in the sense of future. Lit Lakara is used. Okay. You cannot take everything is Saptami is Upapada. See the context. Okay.
Mhm.
Vishya Saptami possible, right? So therefore Upapadam. We have seen Upapada, one example. Can you tell one example? One example. What is the example? Lataha Sme. Is there or not? Sme.
Yes.
What is
Latah
Sme?
Sme.
Sme Upapade. Then what
Sme
pratyaya we
Upapade.
can use? Lat Lakara. Like in the sense of lung, we can use Gachati Sma. Gachati Sma is equal to Agachat Sma Upapada. Understand?
Yes.
That sutra, let Sme. Sme is Upapada. Okay, Saptami Vibhakti. But here, Kartari is what? Not Upapada. Kartari Arte. Kartari Vachye. In the sense of what? In the sense of the Kartari Vishaye, Kartru Vachye, Kartari Prayoge. Which when the sentence is in Kartari Prayoga, it means Karta is Abhigitam. When the Karta is denoted by what? Kriyapada. Then what do we call Kartari Prayoga, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
When Karta is denoted, that's what Kartari. Understand? So when it will come in Kartari, when Karta is indicated, when Karta is denoted, what Prayoga is that? Indicated by what? Indicated by Kriyapadam, denoted by Kriyapadam. We use the word Abhigita, remember?
Yes.
Kartari, when Karta is Abhigita. Kartari Abhigite. Abhigite, we need to understand. Kartari Abhigite means Kartari Prayoge. Understand? Kartruvachye. You say Kartruvachye, Kartruvachini, whatever it is, all same. Kartari Prayoge, Kartari Abhigite. Can say anything, all means same. Then it means Prayoga is Kartari. Why we say? See, listen. The pratyaya can be added in what sense? Kartari, Karmani, Bhave. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sakarmaka dhatu, Akarmaka dhatu. Two types of dhatu. Sakarmaka dhatu can be in Kartari and Karmani. Akarmaka dhatu can be in Kartari and Bhave. This we have seen. Remember what is sutra?
Yes.
Important sutra. I have told many times. Important. What is the sutram? Laha Karmani cha Bhave cha Karmakebhyaha. Remember.
Yes.
Laha Karmani cha Bhave cha Karmakebhyaha. Please again you need to see the sutra. One time seeing the sutra will not help. You won't be able to remember. That is an important sutra. You have to
Yes.
recall what the sutra means. Laha Karmani cha Bhave cha Karmakebhyaha. What does it mean? That is Sakarmakebhyaha dhatubhyaha. Sakarmaka dhatus, the Sakarmakebhyaha dhatubhyaha, the pratyaya will come denoting the karta and karma. Karta if denoted in kartari prayoga, karma is denoted karmani prayoga. Then akarmakebhyaha dhatubhyaha, right? The pratyaya
Yes.
will come in what sense? Kartari and bhave, right?
Ambhave. Yes.
Understand? Sakarmaka dhatu also can denote bhave, provided the speaker doesn't mention the karma. It's his choice. Right? Ramaha kadati, I can say. What does he eat? I don't have to say. It's my wish. Then it will, it's karmani priyaha will be karma, not that it is bhave priyaha. Understand? The lakara pratyaya added to the dhatus denotes karma and karta when the dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. The lakara pratyaya, the lakara mityupta, si siptasta, those pratyas added to the dhatu. If the dhatu is intransitive, akarmaka dhatu, then it will denote karta or bhave, pure action, bhave prayoga. This is the meaning of lahat karmani cha bhave cha karma kebhyaha. Okay. Understand? You have to recall that sutra, important sutra. So there we saw kartari, karmani, bhave. Now here, that kartari we take. Kartari sarvadhatuke pratyaye pare. Here we have the anuvritti of sarvadhatuka. For this sutram, of course, pratyaha also anuvritti is there. Pratyaha parascha dhatuha also anuvritti is there. So what will the connect all the anuvritti? I have not given the anuvritti here. It's okay. I will make in our format later. Dhatoho, pratyaha, paraha, sarvadhatuke. Everything you put together now in a form of sentence. How do you write? Pratyaya, where it will come? Paraha, right? After. After what? Dhatoho. Yes or no?
Yes.
Dhatoho, paraha, pratyaha bhavati, right?
Yes.
Then, what type of, then now I'm modifying. Dhatoho, right? I'm changing. Sarvadhatuka pratyaye pare. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, right? Then what will come after the dhatu by this sutra? Kartari. That is, when karta is denoted by the pratyaya added to the dhatu, that lakara means tiptasi, tiptasta, bitpasmas, kartari, vachye, kartari or vachini, whatever is this, kartari, vachini, dhatoho, sarvadhatuka pratyaye pare, what will come? Shap will come. Shap is also a pratyaya. Shap will come. Understand?
Yes.
When
But,
it's,
Yes.
it's interesting. Is not talking about Bhuvadi. Bhuvadi.
no. In fact, Bhavadi is not the right term. Bhavadi is, it is like there are 10 people in the student and in the class. 9 students you give, you give one seat. All the remaining seat you give to one student. Wow. That is what Bhavadi kana. Understand?
Okay. It's like the remaining.
Exactly. It is open. Therefore, it will accommodate everything. Other than everything is Bhavadi. You understand how I construct the sentence? Virti. This is the meaning. When a sarvadhatuka, so I said English, please follow. This is in Saptami. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, pratyaya will follow what? Dhatu. And the dhatu now, the pratyaya added to that expresses, denotes the karta, then shap pratyaya will come after the dhatu. Now tell me, where the shap will come? For example, bhu plus tip pratyaya. First lakara. Lakara, we have to specify. Vartamane, let lakara, suppose. Sorry, I'm going somewhere. Vartamane. Lakara, Vartaman, let lakara. Let lakara, Pratham Purusha, Ekavacham, Tip Pratyaya. What Pratyaya is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Follows a Dhatu, right? Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare. Now, Tip Pratyaya will denote what? It will denote Karta. Kartari, right?
Yes.
Because Kartari, if it is Atmanepadi Dhatu, then Te, something, whatever it will come. Now it is the Parasamepadi Dhatu, therefore Tip Pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows a Dhatu, and the Pratyaya will denote the Karta, right? Kad Dhatu, for example, Kad, first conjugation. Now, where the Pratyaya will come? pratyaya shap will come after this. No. Always dhatoho paraha, we have to say like that. Shap pratyaya is ordained. Already tip pratyaya is there. That is why sarvadhatake pratyaye pare. When a sarvadhataka pratyaya follows the dhatu, when a sarvadhataka pratyaya follows a dhatu, then shap will come. Shap will come where? After dhatoho. So again, here it will come shap. Not after tip. Understand?
Yes.
Don't put a shap
Yes.
before. Because shap is a pratyaha parascha. Always after. And dhatoho paraha only. It cannot come after tip because tip is a pratyaya. So for shap cannot come after. That is why intelligently he says always dhatoho paraha dhato. Having said sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows dhatu, then he says shap will come. Then it means dhatu plus shap plus tip. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now what this is called what pratyaya? We call this as gana vikarana pratyaya. Shap is the gana vikarana pratyaya. For other conjugations, there are specific pratyaya. Fourth conjugation, shan pratyaya. Fifth conjugation, shnu pratyaya. Like that, sixth conjugation, sha pratyaya. Seventh conjugation, shnam. Eighth conjugation, u. Ninth conjugation, shna. Just now we chanted that. Clear?
Yes.
Swadibhyaha. Swadi means fifth conjugation. The first dhatu is su. Shnuhu. And fourth conjugation, divadibhyaha, shan. So like that already defined. What about Bhuvadibhyaha? Bhuvadibhyaha is not there. This is Kartari Shap is all for all. If it is fourth conjugation, Shan will come. This is Apavada. Having said Shap will come, then for fourth conjugation, Shan will come. It means in the place of Shap, Shan will come. Apavada. Similarly, Swadibhyaha Shnu. Shap will come in the place of Shap. Shnu will come for fifth conjugation. Understand? So therefore, all the Gana Vikaranas for the other Gana, they are Apavada to Kartarishap. Kartarishap is Utsarga. Understand?
Understand.
So Kartarishap. The property of Shap you need to know. Shap is not a Krit, number one. It is a Shit Pratyaya, therefore Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. It is a Pit,
Yes.
therefore Sarvadhatuka Pit. Right? Its properties are important. And this is a specific to Gana. Because Shap is Utsarga and for fourth conjugation, sixth conjugation, fifth conjugation, specific Vikarana Pratyas, Gana Vikarana comes. Therefore, we call it by the name Gana Vikarana. Prakriti Pratyayoho Madhye Yat Patitam Tat Vikaranam. This is a simple definition of what is a Vikaranam. Vikarana, Gana Vikarana we say. Gana Vikarana, because specific to Gana, the Pratyaya comes after the Dhatu, that is a Prakriti, and before the Pratyaya. So Prakriti Pratyayoga Madhya, in between the Prakriti, the Dhatu, and the Pratyaya, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Tiptasya, etc. This Pratyaya Madhya in between, Yat Patitam, Tat Vikaranam Bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
Then Kartra, okay, this is the same thing what I wrote here. Kartari Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Pare, Dhatoho Paraha, Shap Pratyaha Vidiyate. Shap Pratyaya is ordained after the Dhatu when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, denoting the Karta. This is the meaning, full meaning of this Sutra. Understand?
Yes.
Kim Nama Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. This is Kashika Vritti. What is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya? Thingshit Sarvadhatukam already be defined. Important, all these things you should know by heart. 3, 4, 1, 1, 3. Think pratyas. What are think pratyas? All the 18 pratyas are think pratyas. Tipta, Sri, Sipta, Sta, Mit, Vasmas, right?
Yes.
And Shit pratyas are also, Shit pratyaya also Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, Shap is Sarvadhatuk Pratyaya.
Yes.
What about Shatru? The present participle, we use the Pratyaya Shatru, Shanaj and all, right? What are they? What are the properties of these Pratyayas?
It is
Tell me. Vachaspati.
Yeah. They are Sarvadhatukam also.
Number one, they are Shit, Sarvadhatukam.
Yes.
yes, so
Yes. And
And they are Krit.
exactly, because they are after 3191.
Yes.
They are where? They are in 333, I think. Shatru. 32. 3 to 124. Shatru Shanacho. Lataka Shatru Shanacho. Apartama Samanadi Karane. Therefore, they Krit Pratyaya also. Whereas Shap is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, but not Krit. Understand the difference, huh?
Yes.
That is why the Adhikara and all important. You need to remember all those things. Sutra will be, you need to repeatedly see whenever you have got leisure, see, then only will help you. It will stay in the mind and you will recollect all those things. Adhikara, Anuvritti, Sutra, all those things are important. Not supposed to forget. Okay, so things should Sarvadhatukam. Now, Kim Nama Kartari Prayoga. What is Kartari Prayoga? Tell me. You define in your own words. What is what is Kartari Prayoga?
it is when the Kriya Padam,
Hmm.
it is denoting
Hmm.
the karta. Then we call it Kartari Prayoga.
So when Karta is denoted by the Lakara Pratyaya, that is Ting Pratyaya, then it is Kartari Prayoga. Okay. Kartari. When Karta is denoted by the Pratyaya, then the Pratyaya is Dhatoho Yaha Pratyaya Bhavati. Ting Pratyaya. Yena Karta Abhigitaha. Ched. Saha Prayogaha Kartari Prayogaha. Yatra Lakaraha Kartar Darshayati. Saha Kartari Prayogaha. Simple. Where Karta is indicated, Nidarshayati, it is nothing but Abhigita, denoted. Karta is Abhigitaha. Yatra Karta Abhigitaha Bhavati. Yatra Karta Abhigita Bhavati. Saha Kartari Prayogaha. Simple. Right? Raha Karmani Chabhabe Chakarmakebhyaha. The sutra is important. Anena Sutrena, the Lakara is a Pratyaya. Added to the Dhatu. Can denote Karta, Karma, or pure action. Bhava Nidarshayitum Shaknoti. All the three can be possibility, can be denoted by the Pratyaya added to the Dhatu. And where the Lakara denotes the Karta, that Prayoga is Kartari Prayoga. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yatra Karma Abhigitam Bhavati Saha Prayoga Karmani Prayoga. Yaha Bhavam Eva Abhigitam Bhavati. Kriya Eva Abhigita Bhavati. Pure Kriya, action alone. Saha Prayoga Bhave Prayoga. Understand? That is by this sutra. Laha Karmanicha Bhavecha Akarma Kebhyaha. This sutra is very, very important. Now you see. Kartari Prayoge Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Pare Dhatoho Outsargika Rupena. Outsargika Rupena means Utsarga. By in generally Shap Pratyaya will come. Shap iti Gana Vikaranaha Pratyaya Rupena Agachati. Understand? This is common for all the Gana. Then the exception comes. For fourth gana, it will be shen, fifth gana, shnu, exception. Understand?
Understand.
Now, in the shap, pakara is it letter by the sutra,
Alantyam.
alantyam. It
And
there's no pratyaha adu and all. Okay. Shakara is it by what sutram?
Nashakvat tadite.
Lashak, that pratyaya se adi. And this is not a tadita pratyaya. Therefore, shakara is it letter. Therefore, content of the pratyaya is therefore, the pratyaya added to the dhatu will be ending with, pratyaya added to dhatu will be ending with what with regard to ting pratyaya. The pratyaya added to the dhatu, no, that dhatu plus this pratyaya will be ending with what letter with regard to ting pratyaya.
Ajan.
That is why we say adantanga. Right? By shap it is a, by shan fourth conjugation also ending with a, sixth conjugation also sha, a, and of course 10th conjugation we add nich. After that we have to add shap, a. So 1, 4, 6 that is adanta anga. Anga is with reference to ting pratyas. You understand? With regard to
Yes.
ting pratyas, anga it will be ending in a. Why I am saying is if anga ending in a, it is not equilater. Therefore, even when sarvadhatika pit pratyaya follows, Angakarya will not happen. The Upada cannot be equilater because ending letter is how can Upada be a bubble? It should be a consonant. It cannot be a bubble. Therefore, that also ruled out. Upada cannot be a Rasva Upada. Therefore, Angakarya will not happen. That is why Bu plus Shap plus Bhavati, Bu plus Shap, Bo Baba, Baba plus Ti Bhavati. Tip Pratyaya follows. Can it do Angakarya to Baba? No. Just add Bhavati. Shap can do because Shap being a Sarvadhatika Pit Pratyaya, Bu will become Bo. Gunangakarya will happen. Understand? That is why we say 1, 4, 6, 10, 1, 4, 6, 10. Keep saying that. Why? This is the reason. 1, 4, 6, 10 is easy. First, that is what we are going to see also. You follow?
Understand.
And also the
Yes.
Pratyas, even if you see, we have been chanting once, right? The Pratyas listed here. These are general pratyaya, and for latlakara, you see, these pratyas are one adantanga, 1, 4, 6, 10. Not only that one, this arrow also I have to put. This is also ante is for 1, 4, 6, 10. Te, ate. See, te, ate, ante, se, ate, de, ye, vage, mage. For 1, 4, 6, 10 adantanga, a will be replaced by I, te, ite, ante. Se, ite, dve, ye, vage, vage. For other gana, non-adantangas, te, ate, not ante, it will be ate. Te, ate, se, ate, dve, ye, vage, vage. Here, whatever is given, it is only for 1, 4, 6, 10 because that is a simple thing. That's why we do first. After that, we will do non-adantanga, that is fifth conjugation, seventh conjugation, etc. First, we will do 1, 4, 6, 10. Okay. So 1, 4, 6. So these are the pratyas. Fine. Now coming back here, we will see that we have to see. See, we are going to see how these pratyas for lakaras are derived from the original pratyaya. For lat lakara, these are the original pratyas, right? We know we have seen. Tiptasi Siptasa Sutram is there, right? In the place of Lakara, these pratyas will come. Lasya. Then after that, the sutra is Tiptasi Siptastamit Basmas. Then for Lat Lakara, this is a Rupam. For Lang Lakara, this is a Rupam. For Lot Lakara, this will come. For Ling Lakara, this will be the form. All those things we are going to see. After that, only we will see the Dhatu. We'll take first conjugation Dhatu, right? All the Dhatu, the different types of Dhatus are there. About 1,000, more than 1,000 Dhatus are there. We will see, we'll categorize that and then we will see. Almost we have seen, no, not almost, we have seen some 300, 400 Dhatus, simple Dhatus. It will be easy for us to. Okay, now. Therefore, Akara alone will be left out after removing the Ith letter. right? In shap. Now, for example, udaharanam, pat plus tip. Pat is a dhatu, first conjugation. Pratyaya is ti. What is ti? What pratyaya is ti? What are the
Sarva.
properties?
Pratyaya.
Huh?
Sarvadatukam. Pin pratyaya. Sarvadatukam.
See, ti, how many things it denote? Number one, sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Number two, it is a pit pratyaya. Number three, it is pratama purusha ekavachana pratyaya. Number four, it is denotes kartari prayaha. It denotes karta, right? And ti, when you say it denotes tense also, latlakara, present tense. If it is takara, then lang lakara. If it is tu, then lot lakara. If it is it, then ling lakara, right? How many things the pratyaya denotes you see? All these are denoted by the pratyaya. So pat plus ti. Then tip. Now, what we require among this is a sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Because that is the rule. Kartari shap sarvadhatuke. So please remember the sutra like this. Even the kartari shap is there. You, the anuvritti, you remember, that's important. Because you may forget the anuvritti. Kartari sarvadhatuke shap. What is the sutra? Kartari with the
Sarvadatuke shap. Kartari
you bring the
sarvadatuke shap.
anuvritti and then say. That is
Okay.
better. Kartari sarvadhatuke shap. So therefore, when sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, then the ganavikarana shap comes. The content you have to write. You're not. Anyway, we are going to do it little late after that elaborately. Pratyaha parascha, by that rule, this pratyaya comes after this tip pratyaya. Now, after that, we have to know pat is the anga for shap. Pat plus shap is the anga for tip. This anga also definition is there that we will define later. That we are going to do it. Okay. Anga definition is there. Pat plus shap, pata plus tip, patati. Shap cannot do any anga karya because it is not equilateral. Upada is also not rasvaik. Therefore, just simply join pata plus tip, akara is equilateral, patati. Understand?
Yes.
Then another example, shit pratyaya, that is shatru. Shatru is shatru pratyaya, present participle pratyaya. Here also, pat plus shatru. Shatru is what pratyaya? What are the
Sarvadhatuka.
properties?
Um,
Shitvat,
Sarvadatukam.
Shitvat sarvadhatuka pratyaya, and also it's a krit pratyaya.
Krit pratyaya.
Here what you get is a kriya padam because adding a ting pratyaya. Here what you add?
Pratapad.
Pratpadgam.
Krit pratyaya. Therefore, the resultant would be
Pratpadgam.
pratipadikam.
Pratapad.
Kritantas are pratipadikam. Krit tadita samasascha pratipadikam. That we will see later. We are seeing only tinganta. Okay. When we see subanta, before that we will see the definition of pratipadikam. But now we just know. Krit, this is krit pratyaya because this is in 3-2 section. So dhatoha adhikara 3191 it comes. It is not a thing. Krita thing. By that, this is krit pratyaya. But it is shit pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, when a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, by the same rule, kartari sarvadhatuke shap, ganavikarana will come. Therefore, here also, pat plus shap plus shatru will come. Understand? Pat plus shap plus shatru. Shatru is sarvadhatuka pratyaya. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, ganavikarana corresponding to the dhatu will walk in. Understand? Here also, what do we get? Can pat do any anga karya? No. Can shab do any anga karya to the pat? No.
No.
Therefore, just adding that you get patha. This is what I said. Adantanga, patha plus t.
Yes.
Adantanga with regard to ting pratyas. No anga karya possible. Just add patati, bhavati, likati, like that. Here also, pat plus shap, pata content of shatru is at. Then join, what you get? Patha, right?
Yes.
Akasavarne dirgaha. Do we do that?
No, no.
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 This is
Ato gune.
Ato gune. I have written here
Ato
itself.
gune.
Ato gune. This
Yes.
is what?
Pararupas.
This is apadantat. Apadantat.
Yes. Apadanta.
Ataha. Now this is okay.
Apadanta
Apadantat.
followed by guna.
Apadanta akarat uttarasya. When guna letter follows, purva parayogastane pararupaha adesha bhavati. Both will be replaced by pararupa. Therefore, you get a plus a is equal to patat. Understand? Now, patat is a pratipadikam. Takarantaha, pullingaha, any linga, your choice. Okay, I'm just saying pullinga. Patat shabdaha, patan patantau, patantaha, patantam patantau, patataha, patata, like marut shabda. After that, you can decline. With the Srilinga, you add e. Okay, it's not simply adding e, but if something is there, patanti will be the pratipadikam that we will see later. Now, here interesting is this ato gune. Ataha gune. Let us see our paribhasha, applying the paribhasha. We have the anuvritti of apadantat.
Yes.
Apadantat coming as anuvritti. Gune is saptami. Ataha is what vibhakti? Ataha is panchami,
Panchami.
Panchami.
right? So, therefore, apadantat. Then what? Apadantat
Ataha.
ataha. This ataha is qualified, but here we don't have to apply paribhasha. Anyway, because apadantat is coming as anuvritti. We don't have to apply yena vidi tadantasya. Not required because apadantat coming as anuvritti from the previous sutra. So we don't have problem here. But you can see apadantat ataha. No paribhasha, sorry, no paribhasha required. This is panchami. Gune pare. Gune pare. Then what will happen? Ataha is panchami, gune is saptami. Therefore, where is shashti? Where is shashti?
Shashti will be the Saptami.
No, sir. That is say that what you say is right, but not here. Why? Here, this is 6197. This is under the Adhigara Purva Parayogo. Only when Sthani is not clear, then only we have to apply that. When
Okay.
Sthani itself is Purva Parayogo, it's very clearly given. Therefore, you cannot apply that Ube Nidishte Panchami Baliyan. Understand? That you cannot apply. When can you apply that? Only when Sthani is not clear, we can apply that. How can you apply here? Here we have the Adhigaram. Where is Adhigara? What is Adhigara here?
Hey, there. Ikaha Purva Parayoga.
Up to where?
Yes.
Goes up to 111. And this is 6197. Therefore, here we cannot apply Ube Nidishte Panchami Baliyan. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Otherwise, we will end up in problem. Yeah, we will have something else. So,
Yes.
therefore, Purva, that is why I stopped here. Gune pare, Purva parayoho. Therefore, we don't have to apply any paribhasha here. Purva parayoho sthane, paraha adeshaha bhavati. Pararupaha. Paraha is pararupaha. Adeshaha. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, this is extra point. So, patatiti pratipadikam siddhyati. Right? This is an example for pratipadikam. So there also we can see sarvadhatuke pratyaya pare dhatoho shap bhavati. That is a sutra. Understand? So shap iti utsarga. Therefore, for different ganas we have different gana vikarana. Bhinneshu dhatu ganeshu. Shan for divadibhyaha shan, swadibhyaha shnu, then tudadibhyaha shaha iti apavadaha vidiyante. All these are exceptions. Tesham vishaye Divadibhyah Shan Ityadi. From 3169 to 3190, Apavadas are listed. 3168 is Utsarga. From 3169 to 3190, Yavatsu Sutreshu Apavadaha Patitaha Santi. Understand?
Understand.
That is why we chanted all the sutras. Okay. Next sutra, Adiprabhritya Vyashaha. That we will see next class.
One question.
Yes.
Can we, for this patat is pratipadikam.
Hmm.
Can we use also the word namapada?
Namapadam, one for the padam.
Meaning for pratipadikam is equal to namapadam? No.
No, sir.
Oh.
When you say padam, how can be pratipadikam? Padam is Subtingantam padam. Sub anta is padam. Either you can call subanta or you can call namapadam. Pratipadikam or shabda, not namapadam.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Pratipadikam, technical word. Shabda is we use akarantaha, pullingaha, rama shabdaha, right?
Mhm.
That is shabda we use. Padam, when we say it should be Subtingantam padam, 1414, important sutra. Subantam is or namapadam. Kriyapadam or tingantam, right?
Okay. Subantam is equal to namapadam.
Yes.
Understood.
From here onwards, important. Please, you need to recollect the sutras what we saw before. Try to go through it, through all the previous sutra. Just one or two lines, just the definition you remember.
Yes.
Important. And Sandhi sutras also, I have not covered everything. The context will come, we will see. But in between Sandhi will come, I will introduce. There's so many, at Sandhi itself, there are different Sandhis that I have not taught you.
Oh.
Okay, we have to see. But
Nice.
whatever Sandhis we have seen, that you need to remember.
Yes.
Okay, today our 200th sutra. We are nearing 200th class also. One sutra, one class.
Nice.
Om
Nice.
Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad. Thank you so much.
Dhanyavadaha. Okay, it's fine. NSG, yeah. Also gone.